In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your taskbar is not hiding on your Windows 11 computer when in full screen mode. So there's two methods to fix this. The first one is to head over to your start menu and search for Task Manager, and then click on the Task Manager window. From this list of processes, we need to find the process called Windows Explorer. If you can't find it in the list, then just use the search box at the top and type in Explorer. And once you've found this process, we need to right click on it and select Restart. Once you've done that, you can check your taskbar and that should have fixed any issues you are having. If it's still not working, head over to your start menu and search for settings and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, click on personalization, scroll down and select taskbar, scroll down again and click on taskbar behaviors, and you can try turning on and off the automatically hide the taskbar option. So if you want the taskbar always displayed, then obviously you want to uncheck this option. If you want to have the taskbar hidden, then try checking this option again like so. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.